Значи најголемиот македонец со сите ние тука што сме. Најмалеч. Да. Најголем македонец е тоа маленкото дете тама.
Еве сме пред фан зоната тука, веднаш спроти салата на 100 метри се наоѓаме пред неколку десеци навивачи, наши нормално, но овдека со нас се и навивачите на Данска. Ќе пробаме да земеме интервју са. You are from Denmark, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you give us exclusive interview? What do you expect today? Macedonia play with Iceland, Denmark play with Qatar. First tell me for Macedonia, what do you think about that game?
I think if Macedonia plays well and Lazarus play well, they will
Macedonia!
they will beat the Iceland.
Yeah?
They have to look for Aron Pálmarsson.
Do you think that Macedonia is strong in 18th of January to play with Denmark and to win and beat Denmark in the last game in the group?
I think Kirill Lazarov is very good and Macedonia have a lot of heart.
Like in Serbia, you remember Denmark winning last seconds. Do you think that we will tough game again?
I have heard that Nikolai Marcus, the player of Atletico Madrid,
Played with
Lazarov, yes, and Lazarov says that he's have a half of his gold medal.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much. First of all, cheers. Yes. What do you think today? Macedonia can beat Iceland?
Yeah, I think I hope Macedonia win.
I hope
Macedonia win.
In 18th of January, Denmark play with Macedonia. It is last game for Denmark.
Yeah.
If you win 4 of the games before, do you think that Danish coach Wilbeck will rest the players and that Macedonia can beat you that day?
No. We are going to win all 5 games.
Okay, that is nice to hope. But we think that in Serbia we lose. Now here in Sevilla, Macedonia will lose.
I think also Macedonia is a very good team.
Yeah.
But Denmark are better. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
If we are honest, Denmark win with very much luck in that game in Serbia. You remember?
Yeah.
Yes.
The last
Mikkel Hansen and Lindberg
with counter-attack.
And then Mikkel Hansen bobs, and when we have a goal, and then we have a goal.
Thank you for the interview, and I hope we will enjoy it all together in 18th of January.
Yes.
Сега светот за нас македонците, едно сонце на Александар, нас ни свети в градите. Македонија навива за вас, пеат милиони како еден глас. Македонија сака победа, милион срца, една молитва. Македонија навива за вас, пеат милиони како еден глас. Македонија сака победа, милион срца, една молитва.
od Island. Odlični. How are you, fellas? What will happen tonight? What do you expect from the match Iceland-Macedonia?
Iceland will win.
Iceland,
Will win. The
tell me
game.
the score. The score.
The score. 32-28 for Iceland.
32-28.
Yes.
4 goals. Okay, what do you think?
Iceland will win.
Iceland,
Yeah.
the score?
26-24.
If you remember, till now, Iceland 2 times beat Macedonia in great games. Macedonia 2009 win Iceland, and Iceland can't go on European Championship. So, what you expect from Macedonia? Who is the most dangerous players to take care of?
We think Lazarov is best,
Okay,
but where is your old corner player with grey hair? Where is he?
he will play. Marco
He will play?
Georgiev.
What was his name?
Gotze Georgiev,
Super player.
right wing.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it will be 28-26 for Macedonia.
You think that Macedonia will win
Yeah.
today?
Yeah.
You're from Iceland.
I know. I'm telling you. I hope Iceland win, but I think Macedonia will be strong.
Honestly?
Yeah. They have been relaxing the best players against Chile and against Qatar.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Analysis.
So
Nice analysis.
yeah, I think 28-26.
28-26.
Yeah, and your best player will score 13 goals.
You mean Kirill Lazarov?
Yes.
Okay, you know Naum Chemoisovsky.
The middle player.
The middle player,
Yeah, he's
yeah.
very good. Very good.
I can see you know our players.
Yeah, we will learn Macedonian players
And
because
it's my pleasure to listen you like this.
I know everything about Macedonian handball. We are from Iceland, small island in Iceland. We had Macedonian goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Maeda. We had one Macedonian player. We had shooter, Gretar. He was in national team, Goran Kuzmanovski.
Da, yes.
Yeah. Do you know him?
It's our player.
Yeah. He played for our club. So if Goran, you are listening, hi Goran.
Okay, tell me, do you want to send some kind of message to Macedonian people in Macedonia?
Macedonia-
You can't imagine how much they expect from this match today. Because we are a small country like you, of course, but in Macedonia, this is the best match till now.
Macedonia, just enjoy. I hope you have a good time in Macedonia. All respect to Macedonia. Thank you, Macedonia.
Milion srca, jedna moć.